first thing you need to do, you should know that this is a home. These are features. What are the things that the website has?